and welcome to your next breathwork session. So my name is Claire, I'll be leading you through this little practice. So just come into a comfortable seat wherever that is for you. Maybe you're sat on the floor, maybe you're sat on your sofa, chair or your bed. And just as always, allow the body to be comfortable, allow the breath to settle. So today we're going to take a really simple practice, which is just a breath focus practice. So if it feels okay for you, just have your eyes closed. If it doesn't feel right, just bring maybe your head, your eyes downcast, so you take your gaze away from the things around you. And then allow the breath to come into a nice steady rhythm. Breathing through the nose, if that's okay for you. Starting to take nice deep inhales and nice deep exhales. So we begin today by taking the focus into the breath coming into the nostrils. Feel that breath coming up through the nostrils. And as you exhale, allow the breath to come out of the nostrils. See if you can really focus your mind into focusing on the breath. See if you can actually feel the sensation of the breath coming in through the nostrils. And then coming out through the nostrils, maybe you notice the breath coming out is slightly warmer. Making sure the rest of the body is soft and you're just feeling that breath coming in and out of the nostrils. And then take the breath and attention to the breath coming into the area of your chest. If you like something, so you can take a physical sensation, maybe take the hand or both hands onto the chest. Breathe really deeply and inhale into the area of your chest. And exhale to soften. So if the hands are there or even if they're not, see if you can notice the chest rising on the inhale and softening back on the exhale. Starting to take a really nice big breath into the area of the chest. Softening the breath back. Again, each time the brain skips away, bring it back to the breath coming into the chest. Couple more breaths there. And then move the breath and attention to the area of the belly. Maybe you move both hands down to the belly, or maybe you'll just take your attention to the belly. Take a big inhale and expand the area of your belly forward. And exhale to soften. So if the hands are there, or even if they're not, see if you can really notice your belly muscles moving forward. They balloon out on the inhale, and they soften back on the exhale. So really start to deepen that nice big breath, feeling the belly expanding. A few more really deep breaths there. One time in your life you can really expand those belly muscles. Taking those nice big deep belly breaths. Gently release the hands from the belly if they're there, put them into the lap, and then take a big inhale. See if you can breathe all the way up from the bottom of the body up to the top of the head. Take a big exhale and see if you can allow that breath to travel down from the top of the head, through the shoulders, down to the belly, down to the bottom of the body. So big inhale, and imagine you're pulling the breath up through the body to the top of the head. And as you exhale, allow that breath to settle the body down. So imagine there's a wave of breath coming up the body from the bottom up to the top. And exhale, allow that breath to come down the body. So really focus into taking a big inhale. See if you can expand up through the body, maybe straighten the spine ever so slightly on the inhale. On the exhale, see if you can soften the shoulders down and allow the breath to travel down the body. Take a few more really big breaths like that, up and down the body. Using that breath to fill the body and then to soften the body. And then just allow that breath to come back to normal. Keep the eyes closed if they're closed. Maybe just notice how nice and full of breath the body feels. This practice can be done at any time in your day if you just feel like you need a few minutes out of the day. Take any part of the practice you liked. Really nice to take deep belly breaths if you're feeling particularly up in the head and really scatty. You can take those deep belly breaths just to settle the body down, make yourself feel nice and calm, or use those big expansive breaths to fill and to empty the body at any time it feels nice. Thank you for joining me today. Please, again, feel free to join me next time, and feel free to use that breath work at any time that it suits you. Thank you very much. See you next time.